Welcome to Dubai Air Show 2023. Here, this is Megha Mathews, editor of Aviation 360, and today we have with us Vincent Coste, the Chief Commercial Officer. So, hello, how are you?
Hello, very well.
Amazing. So, today we are here because the aviation industry is obviously watching closely with the Riyadh Airlines' rapid progress. How does it feel for you today, being here, achieving this milestone?
Well, it's super exciting to be here at the Dubai Air Show. As you know, one of the biggest in the world.
Yes.
Riyadh Air is building its brand by its presence in the Dubai Air Show. We were last week at the World Travel Market in London. We were attending the Paris Air Show this last June. So this is a journey for us to build our brand.
Yes, of course.
To meet a lot of partners, to do some announcements. So we announced the new livery or the second livery this morning. We also announced a partnership with Lucid Car, electric cars.
Yep.
So great stuff happening and a lot more in the coming days.
Yeah, sounds great. So let's hear from you today, the airline's brand identity to the world.
So listen, Riyadh Air has a fantastic opportunity to be a disruptor in the airline industry because we are a startup. We are the biggest startup probably in the last 30 years in terms of commercial airlines.
Yep.
And we are starting with three key pillars, which are to be the first true digital native commercial airline.
Yep.
We want to focus on service and bring an obsessive attention to details how we service our customers. And we want to be a truly sustainable airline.
Yep.
Again, no legacy. We are a startup, so we have to do everything right in terms of sustainability from the start.
Amazing, amazing. And how is the airline offering exceptional flying experience apart from the counterparts?
Listen, going back to this digital native approach, we will use digital across all the touch points of the customer journey. As you may know, Saudi Arabia has one of the youngest populations in the world. The average age of the population is 29 years old. It has the highest penetration rate of iOS per capita in the world. And basically everyone in this country is using this to interact with the world. We want to create the first airline that allows people to control travel through their phone.
Amazing, amazing. And what are the notable agreements that have been associated with the new livery?
Listen, the main agreement that we associated with the new livery was this morning. As we announced the new livery, we announced a key partnership with Lucid Car. Lucid will be a key partner as we start operating. And they, showcase our commitment to sustainability. It's a great brand, fantastic cars. I encourage you to try one day.
Absolutely.
And that's the first one. And we will have in the coming days other partnerships that will communicate soon.
Yeah, fingers crossed, yes. So, we're witnessing a dual renaissance. And how do the two liveries, when compared with the injunction to the Saudi Arabia's leading airline, Saudia?
Listen, Saudi Airlines announced recently a beautiful livery. I really personally truly enjoyed this great launch. And we will be partner airlines. We are the two national carriers of Saudi Arabia. So I see a great combination between their green focused livery and our lavender livery, which by the way both showcase colors of Saudi Arabia. So it's a perfect combination.
Right, perfect. And what are some of the environmental considerations in general that you are looking to aim at Riyadh Air?
So, as mentioned earlier, sustainability will be one of our core pillars. So, beauty of being a startup, we can, have new aircraft. Our aircraft will be the most efficient in the industry with 30% less carbon footprint than the average of the industry. and in everything we do. So, we are going to work on sustainable aviation fuel when it comes to procurement. All our procurement process is around choosing the vendors that can bring sustainability to our proposition. It's about example like catering, for example. We want to make sure that wastage will be reduced to the minimum. So everything we do across the airline, every department is focusing on the sustainability value.
Amazing, that's great. So we're at the we have a Saudi vision, which is obviously the 2030 goal, and Riyadh Air, of course, has surely geared up. And let's hear from you, how is Riyadh Air positioning itself as a significant player representing the nation?
So we are one of the key projects of Vision 2030 in the sense that we are creating to bring more connectivity to the kingdom. As you may know today, Saudi Arabia and Riyadh in particular is the least connected capital of the G20 countries.
Yeah.
So today, when people, for example, want to travel to Southeast Asia, they have to connect in the big hub of the region. So our core purpose within Vision 2030 is to connect Saudi Arabia to the world. We are not creating an airline that it will be another mega connector like big airlines in the region. We have a population of 35 million people. We have a capital city of over 8 million people. So we are just basically working at connecting the kingdom to the world.
That's amazing. So here we are connecting airlines, connecting with networks. It's the language of the skies. And that's it from Riyadh Air today. And thank you so much, Vincent. Thanks so much here.
Thank you very much.